Okay, I'll just make ever such a quick, if I can attempt to make a quick summary of what we've just seen, which won't be easy obviously because they do go on a bit, but basically the interim relief order or interim relief application was denied because of the fact that the council offered the undertaking not to do the works anyway. That didn't extend so far as to prohibit them from putting in a traffic island. So it's like a marginal success, or mostly a success with a marginal kind of compromise, which is a bit disappointing because I didn't want them to do any works until after the whole hearing. But there may be a way to stop that later because they're going to have to use separate powers in order to make that. Hello. So conversations might need to be had as to exactly what powers they're going to be using to make the traffic island, because they're not allowed to use the order itself. Anyway, the costs capping thing had to be not decided, but the judge gave a direction on how to actually apply properly for the costs cap to apply, and the security for costs which the council have asked for was also denied, basically in summary, because this situation didn't meet the criteria for an actual security for costs order to be made. So in short, there is going to be some more submissions made in the next following weeks to do with costs, applications arguing for and against, details of costs, how that's going to be broken down, and it's likely that there's going to have to be another hearing to settle out the strikeout application and summary judgment, which may be in a month or so, but we'll have to wait to see. So that is the immediate response. I hope I summed it up properly. We're going to probably get, there must be a written record of what just happened, because you're not allowed to record or broadcast what happens in the courts. So how are people going to know without the courts actually issuing a written version of what happened? Because I saw it with my eyes and ears, but nobody else was allowed to. But it is a matter of the public record, surely, so we're going to, presumably that part of the judgment is going to have to be issued in writing, and we'll be able to share that. Anyway, that's all. So that is where we're at now on Friday the 13th at about 3:45. The case, the trial for the Mill Road Bridge bus gate goes on.